In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share a meeting link in Microsoft Teams. Let's get started right from the Microsoft Teams interface. Once you've opened Teams and signed into your account, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with different icons such as Activity, Chat, and Teams. Among these, find and click on Calendar. This takes you to your Teams calendar view, where you can see your existing meetings and schedule new ones. Think of this as your main hub for managing all your online meetings. At the top right of the calendar screen, you'll see a button labeled New Meeting. Go ahead and click that. This opens a new meeting window or panel where you'll be able to set everything up. If you don't see it right away, make sure your window is maximized so the button is visible. Now, it's time to fill in the meeting details. In the title field, type in a clear descriptive name for your meeting, such as Project Check-In or Weekly Team Sync. This helps your attendees quickly understand what the meeting is about. Next, choose the date and start time, and then set the end time. You can also adjust the time zone if you're working with people in different regions, which is especially helpful to avoid confusion. Below that, you'll see a space to add a location, but for online meetings, you can usually leave it as is because the Teams meeting link will serve as your virtual location. You can also add a short description or agenda in the larger text box if you want to give people more context about what will be discussed. In the participant field, start typing the email address of each person you want to invite. As you type, Teams may suggest contacts based on your organization or previous conversations. Select the correct email addresses and add everyone who should receive a calendar invite. Make sure the spelling is correct so the invitations actually reach them. Once all the details and emails look good, click the send button. Teams will now create the meeting, place it on your calendar, and email invitations to your participants. Each invite will automatically include a unique Teams meeting link. After the meeting has been created, open it from your calendar. Inside the meeting details, you'll see an option to copy the meeting link. Click on copy, and now you can paste that link into a chat, an email, or any other place where you want to share quick access to the meeting.